Good morning children, myself Sumalatha, Master Teacher of KAKATIYA Public School. Today I am going to continue the revision on subtractions, word sums. Out of 35 students in a class how many students are there? 35 students are there. 18 are boys. 18 members are boys. Children. How many girls are there in a class? 18 are boys, nothing but. Remaining children will be girls only, no children? So, total students in the class is 35 students. And from that 35, 18 are boys. The remaining children will be the girls children. So how to find the girl strength here? From the total students, if you subtract the boys number, then you will get the remaining students, nothing but girls number. Come on, here have a look at this solution here. Total students. How many students in the class here? 35. Now, number of boys. NO dot nothing but number of children. Number of boys. How many boys are there in the class here? 18. So, how to find here? Girls number. Number of. NO dot nothing but number children. Number of girls. How to find the girls number? You need to subtract the 18 boys number from the 35 total number. Then you will get a girls number children. Now here ones, tens. Now first subtract these column here, ones column. 5 minus 8. Is it possible to subtract children 5 minus 8? No. Why? Because 5 is smaller than the 8. It is impossible to subtract. Then 5 can take the borrow from the before place, nothing but from 3. Here. If I take the borrow here from the before place, so from tens I am giving the borrow. So 3 will become, one number is given borrow, no, so 3 will become 2. Okay. And from tens to ones if I am taking borrow, nothing but 10 numbers I am giving borrow children. And here existing 5. Okay. So 10 number borrow which has taken and 5 existing. Total it will be 15. So now here it is 15 and here it is 2. Now I can subtract from 15 minus 8 or else I can move from 8 to 15. I am starting from 8 children and I have to reach 15. Come on, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I reach the 15. So how many numbers are required to reach the 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are required to reach the 15. So 7 I am writing here. Now 2 minus 1 I can subtract or I can start from 1 and I have to reach the 2. So okay, if I am starting from 1 and I have to reach the 2 means 1 after next 2 means only one number I required to reach the 2. So 1 I am writing. So how many girls are there in a class? 17 girls are there children. Okay. Yes, have a look at this problem children. 2,907 people visited a craft exhibition. These many members are visited children. A craft exhibition. So here this many people. Okay. And among them 1,978 were adults Adults means the persons like my parents' children, okay, big persons. And the rest were children, okay. It means the rest means remaining were children, okay. So total these many people nothing but it included the adults and children, okay. It included the adults and children, means total number of people, these many people visited a craft exhibition, and in that 1978 were adults, okay, the big persons, and the rest were children, the remaining were children. How many children visited the exhibition? Means what is the remaining members children? Means you need to find the children number. So how to find the remaining here? From the total people, if you subtract the adults number, then you will get the children. Why? Because I am taking here total people means that in the people they are included the adults and children. Means people nothing but adults and children together, these many members children, and in that adults strength is this much, and you need to find the children number, okay. Come on here, steps. Let me write the steps here. Total people who visited a craft exhibition. So how many here? 2907. Okay, and in that number of adults. So how many adults are there? 1978 members are adults. Now the rest are children. No? Now we need to find here. Therefore, number of children. Number of children, how you will get children? From the total strength, you need to subtract the adults number. So 2907 minus 1978. Come on, let's do the subtraction here, children. 2907. And second number, better to write from the ones. 8, ones digit, and 7, tens digit, and here 9, 100 digit, 1 in thousands. Come on, let's subtract this. Now 7 minus 8. Is it possible, children, 7 minus 8? No. Why? Because 7 is smaller than the 8. It is impossible. So we need to take the borrow from before place, children. But before place also we have the 0. So from the before we will take here. So nothing but we are taking the borrow from 9. But 9 to 7 is impossible. Why? Because in middle one place is there. So here first the borrow is passing from this place to this immediate place. Nothing but ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, no? So hundreds to tens they are giving here. When the borrowing giving from hundreds, so 9 will become 8, children. One number has given borrow here, so it will become before number nothing but 8. And here 10 will become, 0 will become 10. Why? Because I am taking the borrow from hundreds to tens. Hundreds to tens means 100 is equals to 10 tens, children. Okay, nothing but here 10 numbers are giving borrow and existing 0 means 10 it will be. Okay, now I can give the borrow from tens to 7. I need the borrow in ones. Okay, tens to ones. Okay, I need the borrow in ones, children. So I am passing the borrow from tens to ones. Okay, so this 10 will become here 9 again before. Now tens to ones means 1 tens passing means nothing but 10 ones passing. 10 ones borrowing and existing number 7. 10 and 7 is 17. Okay, now what the answer will be in the ones? Now here it is 17 children in ones, in tens 9 it is, in hundreds 8 is. Now let's subtract this ones column. 17 minus 8. It is possible, or else you can move. You can start from the 8 and you can know how to reach the 17. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I reached the 17 children. To reach the 17, how many numbers are required here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are required children. So here I am writing 9. Now here in the tens digit 9 means 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 means I am starting from 7 children. I have to reach the 9. 7 after 8, 9. I reach the 9 children. To reach the 9 I open 2 numbers. Nothing but here you will get the 2. And here 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. Is it possible children 8 minus 9? No. Why? Because 8 is smaller than the 9. So that now you have to take the borrow from 1000 here before place. Before place can give here. Why? Because here 2 is there. So I am giving the borrow from thousands to hundreds. When I am passing the borrow, this 2 will become 1. And 1000 to hundreds when I am giving borrow children. 10 numbers I am giving. 10 numbers and existing 8 here. So it will be 18. Now here in the hundreds 18. In the thousands 1. Now 18 minus 9 I can subtract, or I can start from the 9 and I have to reach the 18. Come on, I am starting from the 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I reach the 18 children. So how many numbers are required here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 numbers are required to reach the 18. So 9 I have to take in. I have to take here. Now 1 minus 1. Same numbers in top and bottom. If you have the in the thousands place or in the any place same numbers means and you are subtracting means it will be 0 children. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how many children are there in that? How many children visited that examination here? 929 children. 929 children were there who were visited a craft examination. Yes, children, look at this problem here. Rohit had 2,265 rupees. His grandmother gave him another 1,500. Means the money will increase with the Rohit no children after giving grandmother. So first he has 2,265 rupees and later his grandmother gave to him 1,500 rupees children. Means now at present he has more amount with him. He bought a pair of skates for 2,788 rupees. So he bought the pair of skates, skating shoes children. Okay. So he bought the pair of skates for this much amount, 2,788. Means now after buying this skates shoes children, his amount will increase or decrease? Increase. See, you went to shop. For example, you went to shop. With you have 10 rupees and you purchase something with the cost of 5 rupees, anything. So, after purchasing that, your amount will increase or decrease children? So, your amount will be 5 rupees, means decreasing. Here also, he has something amount after giving grandmother and he purchased the skating shoes with this amount. Means after purchasing that skating shoes, his amount will decrease. Decrease nothing but minus. And here increasing. First he has this much amount and grandmother has given this much amount. Means his amount will increase. Nothing but plus. And from this amount, he is purchasing skating shoes with this amount. Means later his amount will decrease after purchasing the skating shoes. Now how much money was left with him? Means how much amount is left with him after purchasing that skating shoes. Let's find here. This problem is combination of here addition and here subtraction children. Okay. Come on, first let's arrange these numbers into form. See here, first solution stepwise I will give you here. Rohit had how much amount here? First 2,265 rupees. Okay. Grandmother has given. Grandmother gave him how much amount? 1500. So now Rohit had amount. So after giving the grandmother, Rohit had how much amount, children? How to find here? By adding. Why? Because after giving some amount with anyone, the amount will decrease with you, whatever you have. So here you need to increasing nothing but increasing nothing but you need to add, means you need to add these two numbers. So I am adding here 2265 plus 1500. Let's add these numbers in the column, children. Here 2265, and I am arranging from last, children. Second number better to arrange from last. Here 0, here 5, here 1. 1500 now. Let's add here addition. So here 5 plus 0, 5, and after nothing is there means 5 itself. Okay, 6 plus 0, 6 after nothing is there means 6 itself. Now 2 plus 5 means 2 after you need to add again 5 more numbers, means 2 after you need to count again 5 more numbers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 after when you are adding 5 more numbers, 7 you will get. Now 2 after I need to add 1. 2 1 means 2 plus 1 means 2 after you need to add 1 more number. 2 after 1 more number if I am adding 3 you will get. So 3. So now at present Rohit had 3765 rupees after giving his grandmother. Now from this amount he purchased skating shoes. Means the amount will decrease, no children? When the amount decreases means you need to subtract. Okay, come on, write here. So now cost of, first you write here, cost of a pair of skates. Skates nothing but skating shoes, children. What is the cost of pair of skates? 2788 rupees. Now the remaining amount we need to find. Okay, so left amount with him. Therefore finally here hence left amount with him after purchasing the skating shoes. So left amount how you will find? From this amount you need to subtract the skating shoes cost. So 3765 minus 2788. Okay, come on, let's subtract in rough column here. 3765 minus 2788. Come on, children. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is not possible, children. We are taking the borrow. So 6 will become 5 and this 5 will become 15. Now 15 minus 8. Or else you can start from the 8 and you have to reach the 15. Come on, from 8 I am starting means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I open these many fingers, children, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means 7 numbers I require to reach 15. Now 5 minus 8. Alright. So yeah. From 8 to you have to reach the 5. Is it possible, children? No. Why? Because 5 is smaller than the 8. So you need to take the borrow from this 7, children. So this 7 will become 6. Before number no. And here 10 numbers are passing, children. Okay. It's 100 digit and I am passing the borrow to 10. So 10 numbers are passing and existing 5 numbers. So 10 borrowing number and 5 means 15 it will be. Now 15 minus 8 or else 8 minus 8 from 8 to 15 you have to reach. Already in the ones also same numbers 8 to 15 you reach children. So there you have taken, you got the A7 now. Here also you will get the same 7. Why? Because same numbers we are subtracting. Now 6 minus 7. Is it possible to subtract 6 minus 7? No. Why? Because 6 is a smaller and 7 is a bigger. It's impossible. So we need to take the borrow from before digit here. Nothing but 1000. So 3 will become 2 children and 10 numbers I am passing. 1 place to 1 place if I am taking 10 numbers I am passing and here existing 6. 10 numbers which has taken borrow and existing 6 will become 16 children. Now I have to start from the 7 and I have to reach the 16. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I reach the 16. Come on, how many numbers I opened here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers I required children. So 9 I am taking here. And 2 to 2. 2 minus 2 or else from starting point also 2, reaching point also 2. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. So here how much amount is left here after purchasing the skating shoes here? After purchasing it, 977 rupees are left with Rohit. I hope you understood the concept children which I have explained in the subtraction revision. Tomorrow I am going to conduct a test on subtractions. So all the best children, prepare well. Thank you.